Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install PHP 8.3 version on Windows 11 PC. 8.3 version is the latest version of PHP programming language. So my PC has no any version of PHP. So I want to install PHP 8.3 on Windows 11 PC. So at first I go to browser and then I search and I show you how to install it on Windows 11. So I open my Chrome browser. So I search PHP and hit enter. So this is the PHP official website www.php.net. So PHP is a hypertext processor language. So I click on first link and it show me what is new in 8.3. So I not see what is new in 8.3. I just download it. So I click on download button. And this is my Windows PC. So you need to search Windows version. So this is current and stable 8.3.0 version. So I find this. This is the Windows download. So I click on Windows download link. And from this page, we need to search third save version. So this is the third save version of x64-bit. So I click on zip download option and download is starting. So I click on start download. So I chose my location to desktop and click on save. And then click on start download. So my download is completed. So I close this download completed wizard. So this is the PHP programming language 8.3.0 versions zip file. So I just open with File Explorer. Those are my programming language's core files. So I just copy all files and open new tab. Go to C drive and I create a folder PHP. So I just paste all files here. It will take few seconds, so we just wait. So all files are completed. After completing copy files, then I copy this folder location and I go to this PC and right click on it and go to properties. And from here I go to advanced system settings and go to environment variables and from the system variable go to path and add here new path. So I click on new and paste this folder location and click on OK, click on OK and click on OK and also close this and close this folder. So I press on my keyboard shift button and right click on mouse and we see option open PowerShell window here. So it is PowerShell window. So I type PHP v. So we see that this is the PHP 8.3.0 CLI build 21 November. So PHP language is now installed on my PC. So we can use it and we can run any PHP code on my Windows 11 PC. That was my video. In this video, I was show you how to install PHP latest version on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.